Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to add text in Krita. First, select the text tool from the toolbar. It looks like a T icon on the left. With the text tool active, click and drag on your canvas to draw a rectangle that defines the text area. When you release the mouse button, Krita will create a text box and open the text editor window. In the text editor window, type the words you want. You'll see options for font, size, alignment, and spacing. Use these to customize how your text looks. This editor usually has a rich text tab for on-canvas formatting. Once you're done editing, click the Save button in the text editor. This applies the text to your canvas and creates a text shape layer you can move or transform. Keep in mind, Krita's text tool creates vector text objects, not paint strokes, so they stay crisp and scalable. And that's how you add text in Krita. Thanks for watching.